How to connect Shopify to Zapier. So first, go to Zapier, of course, and then log into your account, and then just click on create here at the left side. Then click on Zaps. Okay, now what will happen here is just click on the trigger, then look for Shopify. So let's just search for Shopify. Click on this one. Then what you need to do here is just choose a trigger event here, anyone here that you want to use. So let's say you want to use new order as a trigger event, and then of course you need to sign in your Shopify account. So let's just sign in our account. Of course you need to type in here your store URL. So let's go to our Shopify dashboard, and then just copy our store URL here, and then where is that? Okay, type it here, and then just click on yes, continue to Shopify. Okay, now just click on install. Okay, as you can see, now it's connected. So just click on continue. Now let's just test your trigger if you want, or you can just skip the test, and then just choose your action here, what you want to happen after this trigger is hit. So that's about it. Now your Shopify is connected to Zapier or Zapier. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.